Heat waves driven by human-caused climate change have cost the global economy $16 trillion, £14 trillion, since the 1990s, a study has calculated. This is due to the effects of high temperatures on human health, productivity and agricultural output. It also revealed that the world's poorest and lowest carbon-emitting nations have suffered the largest economic blows, such as those in tropics. Researchers at Dartmouth College in New Hampshire, USA combined economic data with the average temperature for the hottest 5-day period for each global region. They found that, from 1992 to 2013, heat waves have routinely coincided with variations in economic growth, which differ in high and low-income regions. Almost no country on Earth has benefited from the extreme heat that has occurred, said senior author Justin Mankin, an assistant professor of geography. Research by the Met Office Hadley Centre claims that temperatures seen this summer in the UK will be an average summer by 2035. This is even if countries meet climate commitments agreed under the 2015 Paris Agreement. The research looked at how rapidly temperatures are changing across Europe and tracked observed mean summer temperatures since 1850 against model predictions. It also found an average summer in Central Europe by 2100 will be over 4 degrees Celsius hotter than it was in the pre-industrial era. He added, "Global events like the COVID-19 pandemic have revealed the close interconnectedness of the supply chain and the global economy. Low-income countries have disproportionate numbers of the outdoor workers who often generate the raw materials so crucial to the global supply chain. There is absolutely the potential for upward ripple effects." The authors claim that their work is among the first to specifically examine how heat waves affect economic output. "The true costs of climate change are far higher than we've calculated so far," said Dr. Mankin. Previous studies have tended to focus on higher income regions, where both economic and climate data are more robust. They also have classed heatwaves among other extreme events relating to climate change, like more frequent flooding and greater storm intensity. However, heat waves are unique in that they are more linked to the temperatures of the hottest days of the year than the global average temperature. The former is projected to increase much quicker than the latter as human activity continues to drive climate change. Modeling analysis, published today in Science Advances, used both annual average temperature and data from the 5 hottest days of the year. This allowed for the interaction of the two while estimating the impact of extreme heat waves on economic output. First author and PhD student Christopher Callahan said, "Heat waves are one of the most direct and tangible effects of climate change that people feel. Yet they have not been fully integrated into our assessments of what climate change has cost and will cost in the future." The study revealed that extreme heat waves led to a cumulative economic loss of between $5 trillion, £4.3 trillion, and $29.3 trillion, £25.3 trillion, globally from 1992 to 2013. Economic losses due to extreme heat events were also found to be lower for wealthier countries. Over the 21-year study period, regions in the top income decile lost an average of 1.5% of gross domestic product (GDP) per capita due to heat waves.